Congressman Alvarez, thank you so much for agreeing to this interview. Simulan natin dun sa pagdadawit sa'yo ng 18 Maleta Boys, no, na tinatawag. Paano ba nagsimula ito? Paano nyo po nalaman? Narinig nyo lang po ba na nadawit kayo?
Dati pa yun, narinig ko na sa Kongreso pa ako. At saka nakita ko yung 51 na pangalan ni Kong Saldi na pinalabas niya. Wala yung pangalan ko ron. Dahil alam ko, walang pinadala si Saldi sa akin. Bakit ngayon meron dito? So, hinahanap ko kung sino yung nagdala. Ganun.
Kaso pagdating nyo po dun sa plenary session, hindi nyo na naabutan yung...
Hindi ko na sila naabutan. But ngayon, yung aking emissary, kinakausap na sila isa-isa. Sa maabutan lang.
Right. So your emissary is parang narrowing it down to which one of the...
Them said.
Which one of them said it.
Kasi pag dinimanda mo yung 18, it's a nightmare. Ano bakit? Siyempre, kada isa magpapospon yun. Hindi lang appear, di wala na.
So for the record, sir, wala po kayong natanggap na maleta?
Ilang beses ko na sinabi yan. Bakit naman ako tatanggap? Wala naman si Saldi ko kompromiso sa akin. Wala rin siyang utang sa akin. Wala rin akong utang sa kanya. For the record.
Sir, ba't kayo nadawit dito? Sa tingin nyo, bakit kayo bigla na lang...
Sinabi ko na yung motibo doon sa... Nandun ka, di ba? Binasa ko yung motibo nandito sa cellphone ko.
So, ito pong si Margaret na tinatawag, no?
Hindi ko kilala yan. I don't know her from Adam.
Okay.
Sabi naman ni Congressman Dipensor, hindi raw niya staffer. O hindi niya staffer, sino? Di ba?
Alright, so... Sir, kayo po, di ba dati nasa PDP laban kayo?
Ang presidente.
You were the president of PDP laban.
Oo.
And now, in terms of political affiliations, nasan po kayo, sir?
NPC ako. Dati akong NPC, hiniram lang ako.
Okay.
Sa California ako, tinawagan ako ni PRRD. Umuwi ka muna rito dahil hindi na ako magiging presidente. Ikaw muna presidente ng PDP laban. Kasi si Alcosi nga papalitan, sabi niya sa akin. So, pumayag ako. After pumunta ako sa NPC, nagpaalam, pumayag naman sila. Kasi addition yun eh.
So what yung pong sinabi ni Margaret, yung alleged Margaret po na nag-message sa inyo, was asking for your endorsement
Yes.
for the president's impeachment.
Yes.
And you said no.
Yes. Why should I say yes? Why?
Pinadala po nila sa inyo yung...
I don't know them from Adam.
Okay, so no kagad. Wala,
Hindi, binasa ko muna. 44 pages, paano basahin?
So binasa nyo as much as you can.
As much as I can.
Yes.
Mamaya, ayan na. Will you endorse? Sabi ko, no.
And bigla na lang kayong dinawit dito.
Hindi ko alam kung yun ang motibo.
But it's a possible angle.
Very possible.
Alright. If you find out who did this, are you planning to pursue legal action?
Yeah, kung dalawa doon sa 18, di you can narrow down, di ba? Mas madali mo silang dahil sama si Atty. Baligod plus yung dalawa.
Yes.
3 lang didemanda mo.
Who do you think is behind Atty. Baligod and the 18 Maleta Boys?
Your guess is as good as mine.
So, what is your plan for the next session or moving forward, given that you're embroiled in this accusation? What are your next steps?
Why should I be even bothered by this?
Okay, so bali sir, bala kayo dyan, ako wala akong ginawa.
Yes.
Malinis ang konsensya ko.
Sila mag-prove.
Oo. Kasi di ba sabi nga po,
Burden of proof.
the
rests
burden
on
of
the
the burden
accuser.
of proof lies with the accuser.
Oh.
And so far they have no shred of evidence
Nothing.
whatsoever.
Wala nga picture, wala nga address ng bahay ko eh. They don't even know. Sinabi lang, Forbes Park House. Ang dami Forbes Park House.
Tsaka ang dami pong politikong nakatira dito, hindi lang kayo.
Hindi,
Diba?
ano lang dyan. Isang senador, ako, congressman, at saka si Congressman Gomez ng
Later.
Ormoc.
Ormoc, yes.
Then, Congressman Romualdez. Pero sa labas siya. Of which, may bahay na siya doon sa South ngayon. Saldi ko, nagpapagawa pa lang ng bahay dyan sa Cambridge. Hininto na yata. So, yun lang ang mga congressman dito. Wala iba. I've been here since 1977, even before you were born. I'm 1977, meron na akong bahay sa Forbes Park. For the record.
Yes. Kasi you were a businessman, di ba? You were a businessman and you entered politics in 2010. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Okay. So, since you entered politics medyo later in life, what made you decide to enter the
I
political
enter
arena?
politics because I want to keep my brain busy para hindi ako maging Alzheimer. Kasi 82 years old na ako. Tingnan mo yung mga 75 na Alzheimer na.
Medyo naging senile na. So, this is a way to keep your brain sharp.
Yes.
And also to be able to help your constituents.
Yeah. So, in some ways, and then also, I need to be busy.
Okay. So, basically, wala na po kayong pakialam sa accusation na to. You only came to set the record
As
straight.
long as I can find out sino nagsabi, yun ang lilibanda ko.
Yes. Beyond
Kasi
that,
it's futile to accuse yung 18. Wala namang aamin dun.
okay.
So, kung mapinpoint kung sino, then I will have a course of action.
The interesting part there is, pag na-demanda nyo po siya, that will lead you to the source.
Do you think yung source din magpakita? Do you think the source will just expose himself? Siyempre, tatago yan. And there is nothing that I should volunteer. Kasi wala naman akong obligasyon. I have only obligation to my constituents. I'm not running for national office. So wala akong pakialam kung anong sabihin nila, basta hindi totoo. If you are a politician, dapat hindi ka on yung skin.
Totoo naman
Tama?
po yun. Totoo naman po yun, sir.
Kunting atake lang, re-react ka kaagad, papatay ka agad ng tao. Ay, hindi ganun. Sa edad kong ito, hindi ko na kailangan maraming kaaway.
Sabi mo nga, sir, di ba, sa Congress pa lang, alam mo na sinama yung pangalan mo.
Yes.
Nung narinig mo sa plenary, kaya ka humabol, di ba, sa plenary session, sinubukan mo.
Hindi ko narinig sa plenary. I was on the road.
You were on the road,
From
yes.
San Miguel going to here. I have a meeting there in San Trap.
Okay.
So nakita ko, in-introduce ko lang yung guest ko at saka yung taga Swiss Bank. Nag-uusap sila, I have to run. Takbo na kagad ako sa Senado. That's what happened.
What was your reaction when you heard it?
Siyempre, kasi dati na yun sinasabi. But kung tingnan mo yung deklarasyon ni Saldico, wala ako doon. Yung 51 na politicians, Saldico mismo nagsabi, ito, mga diniliberan ko ng pera. Wala ako doon.
So, Attorney Baligon's credibility is in question.
I don't know him from Adam.
Yes.
Neither do I know, except for yung si Anselmo Taberda who lives in Palawan, yung out of the 18 Marines, dating bodyguard ni dating Governor Mitra yun. Mitra.
Ano pong reaction ni Senator Marcoleta nung tinanong nyo siya nung dumating kayo sa Senate plenary?
Sabi ko lang, bakit mo naman binanggit yung pangalan ko? Sino doon sa mga Marines ang nagdawit sa akin? Sabay tindig. Sabi niya, nandun yung pangalan mo, binanggit ko lang sino sa mga Marines ang nagsabi na nag-deliver sa akin? Sabay tindig.
He didn't answer.
Habulin ko pa siya.
Kaya nga po nung nandoon kayo na nagulat ako, sabi ko nung una, nung narinig ko yung name nyo, sir, sabi ko, wait, he's one of the names mentioned. Kaya nakikinig ako. Kasi sir, nung nakaupo kayo, kung saan po kayo nakaupo, I didn't
notice you.
Yeah, but I was to your left.
Oceans of media people.
Yes, but magkahilera tayo, sir. I was to your left. Kaya I was listening intently to everything that...
It was very spontaneous. It was not planned. There was no exercise. There was no rehearsal.
But that was very refreshing. It was very refreshing to see a politician just show up and say,
Walang
hey, I have nothing to do
parliamentary sa akin. Di totoo yung mga sinasabi nyo. Ganun, that's really true. So, yan.
Dialed is incorrect. The number you have dialed is incorrect.